Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, backup camera, alloy wheels, power steering, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.